Hello guys, today we're gonna record. Wait, I know I said this in my last video, but chillax. Okay, I make a lot of videos every time. So we're gonna continue this. We should go to Netherlands. So today we're gonna go to Netherlands. Oh, loud, 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 loud. Okay. So let's just go to Netherlands. So where's the path? Oh, I always see the flag of it. This is a language Dutch. Okay. So this one not looking that bad. Oh my God! Yeah, South Korea is more louder. Ooh! It makes a special sound. Yeah, when like the gates go down, they make like that sound. So, okay, pretend the train passes away. We don't talk about the track. It says, can anybody stop because it's loud? Oh my. I think he probably left. Yep, this is my favorite. The other ones are the same one. Some though. Oh my God. Okay. Who's that? Who are you? Okay. So, okay. Train passes away. Oh my God. When I hear it a long time ago, it just makes that sound. This is the same one as that, so I'm gonna try it. So this looks special. It even has a back one. Yep, it's the same. Look. Train passes away. Oh no, he's gonna turn on everything. Wait guys. This is the most loudest. That's the most loudest in Czech Republic. Whatever. Okay, this is a really special welcome. So I say it's woo! What's happening to that? Okay. Train passes away. Why are you not doing that one? Wait, it only does a white light when that's not coming? Yeah, it only does a white light, but that's weird. Ooh, this looks special. Okay. I like this bell. I like that bell sound. Wait, it has this, so. Wait, this has the and this has a ding 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 bell. So they both have opinion bells, you know. You know what opinion bell is. Or it's random. Or I just made it up. Train passes away. Look, I saw these in the YouTube videos. And there's like a song on it, so you better watch that. Okay, you can turn this on for me. Thank you for turning that on for me. Okay, so, okay. I never seen this in Netherlands. You know, it's like big. Wow, the gates went down. Can you go up? Okay. After that is, okay, this is like a style. So I say it's ooh. Oh, look at the size lights. The size lights are like more smaller than the other one, like the second one. So, yeah. You have the same bell. That's good. I'm just gonna go all over this, you know? Okay, train passes away. Let's just do this fast. Yeah, you're gonna take a long time, you know? He takes a long time, no kidding. Are you just gonna... Yeah, I think you just add the stop motion. But that's all, guys. I'll record one more video. Sorry.